The quantum computing revolution is one step closer. Google's December announcement of its new quantum computing chip called Willow is spurring early bets from investors on the revolutionary new computer technology. Speculative investors are hoping quantum computing will trigger a new wave of growth, similar to how generative AI lifted the fortunes of tech sector leaders like Nvidia and Meta platforms. Optimism around the prospects of quantum computing remain high, even if investable metrics are hard to pin down.
It looks like there's a large addressable market for research, for research and development. But for the average consumer, putting it into retail, it doesn't look like it's ready to replace a computer anytime soon.
That's Joe Tige, portfolio manager of the Rational Equity Armor Fund. But the first step to successful investing is understanding the product, leading some to ponder what exactly is a quantum computer. The most fundamental difference between a quantum computer and a classical computer lies in how it processes data. Classical computers like your iPhone or laptop process data by using bits, groups of on or off signals, or zeros and ones to store data. A quantum computer, on the other hand, uses what's called a qubit, which can hold multiple possible combinations of on or off signals at the same time. For instance, where a classical computer processes the outcome of a coin flip using multiple bits, each of which defines a single possible heads or tails outcome, a quantum computer needs only one qubit, which can hold all potential outcomes simultaneously, as well as their likelihood. This gives quantum computers an exponential amount of power to process vast quantities of data, with applications in everything from chemistry to generative AI and machine learning. Quantum computers could even break modern cryptography, which underpins everything from data security to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. But today's quantum computers face one big challenge. Qubits are fragile and very susceptible to interference, which can create inaccurate results. Mega-cap tech leaders are racing to solve this problem. A flurry of companies, including IBM, Rigetti, and Google, are releasing quantum processors, although some of these efforts are experimental or proofs of concept. The breakthrough solution proposed by Google parent Alphabet's new Willow chip is to use even more qubits, reducing the error rate. But the competition is not far behind. Quantum computing has even attracted the attention of chip giant Nvidia, which hopes to use its existing hardware to help develop quantum computers as part of a longer-term strategy. Meanwhile, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang recently put the brakes on expectations over quantum computing, saying viable technology is still years away.
He's kind of pushing it back, saying, hey, we're not going to be having we're not going to be having quantum computers interrupting NVIDIA's domination of the AI chip space. So that's not going to happen anytime soon. And he's right in that regard. I think he's just talking about the time frame for mass production of quantum computers. It's nowhere near as close.
But as investors await more meaningful revenue from quantum computing and consider what's, for now, a highly speculative, volatile investment, the technology still remains promising, even in its early days. For Investors Business Daily, this is Mike Juang.